This is the front of the house. Dad's snow blowing. Daddy did last night, you'd never know it. He's trying to get out. He has to be to work in an hour, maybe 2 hours, but he's leaving an hour early. I attempted the deck, but I think Dad finished it. It's cold.